The fourth-generation Kia Carens, which made its world debut in India in December, is currently available for purchase in Indonesia, in conjunction with this year's Gaikindo Indonesia International Auto Show. The most recent Carens is designed for emerging markets and has 3 rows of chairs. It is built on an extended version of the Seltos platform. The Kia model is comparable in size too, measuring in at 4,540 mm long, 1,800 mm wide, 1,700 mm tall, and with a wheelbase of 2,780 mm. All variants come with 16-inch alloy wheels with 205/65 profile tires, multi-reflector LED headlamps, LED DILs, LED fog lamps, LED taillights, power folding side mirrors, as well as a powered sunroof as standard. Inside, you get ventilated front seats, artificial leather upholstery, mood lighting, second-row sunshades, a Supervision 4.2-inch TFT LCD instrument cluster display, an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an 8-speaker Bose premium sound system, automatic air conditioning, with vents for the second and third row, manual controls for the rear, and a Qi wireless charger. As for engines, the 1.5 MPI Premier gets the Smart-Stream Gamma 2 1.5-litre, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder with 115 PS and 144 Nm of torque. This drives the front wheels via an intelligent variable transmission, IVT, which is Kia's take on a CVT. As such, the Carens competes in Indonesia's premium MPV segment and is offered in 2 variants. The base option is called the 1.5 MPI Premier and is priced at 389 million rupiah, while the range topper is the 1.4T Premier retails at IDR 449 million. Thanks for watching, and leave your comments below.
Audio Jungle.